To grab this piecewise function, we got to have two different equations again. So for y equals 6, when everything is less than -4 on the domain, and then when y equals -2x, we're going to be when x is greater than -1 on the domain. So this can be a bit more challenging because we're dealing with array. Okay, so let's again make a little XY chart like we've done before with the rule in the center, and that'll give us the Y. Okay, and then this will give us a point. Sorry, give me a second. And then we're going to figure out the type after that. And this is kind of important now. A little bit different with array. All right, so let's first actually do the -4. Okay, -4. And we know that's going to automatically mean it's 6. So the output's 6. So -4 comma 6. And we know that's going to be an open circle there. Okay, so it's an open circle. So -4, 6, open circle. Now, notice it's pointing left. That means everything to the left of it is going to be part of the answer. So let's pick a number that's to the left, right? X is left of -4. Any number on the left. We can pick -8. Well, there's nowhere to input -8. The answer is going to be 6 no matter what. So at -8 comma 6, we're going to have a point there, and it is a point on the line. But it's important to mention that it's going to be array. It's going to continue to the left from there. So when I do -8, 6, I'm going to put a point here. But when I make my line, I'm going to make sure I click it to where it makes it an arrow, because it's going to continue to the left. Okay, now let's jump to the other one. Let's start with -1. So -1, that'll be -2 times -1, which is 2, positive 2. So -1 comma positive 2. And I know that's going to be an open circle because it's just a little greater than sign. So -1, 2, open circle. Okay, let's pick a point to the right of it because you're saying x is to the right of -1. So any number on the right, we can use 0. 0 is easy. Okay, let's plug in 0. So that's -2 times 0, which is also 0. So 0, 0. So I know that 0, 0 is a point on the line, okay? But I also know it's everything to the right of 0, 0. So we're going to go right of that. So when I plot my 0, 0 here, I know it's going to continue on forever and ever from 0, 0 down this way. So I'm just going to make a ray, and it would continue to, again, go off the graph forever and ever.